Greetings, my dear friends. The final day to harvest our plantations have come. Yes, of course. Today is the day of harvest, giving me immense pleasure to share with you. Last time we have harvested the brinjal. By now, all the tomatoes have also come for harvest. And now, going to the bean variety that you have planted. Literally speaking, I do not know the exact English name for this, so I am telling you in Tamil. It is a species of avarai chedi, and by name it is mocha avarai. It has by it. I didn't plant this actually. It has grown by its own, and it has given a wonderful yield of nearly it is around 250 grams of bean variety. Today we have got, and going to the next part. Last time we harvested the brinjal from this area only, so now it is all under the flowering area, flowering part. So it is good that around 4 to 5 days of time new brinjals will come up. Also the brinjal plants in between of the topico plants also at the stage of harvesting in another 2 to 3 days. Here we have come to the tomato patch where we have planted the tomatoes and the two other special plant. I'm extremely sorry that I didn't know that I have planted a cauliflower plant. Rather than explaining you all, it is a cabbage plant. Now I have found out. See, it is the budding cauliflower coming up. With this only I was able to identify that it was a cauliflower. I didn't experience this. I'm very sorry to explain you that it is a cabbage plant in my early videos. Please note it is a cauliflower plant that I have planted, and it is coming up. See, all the tomatoes are the ripened stage. Half of the tomatoes have been ripened, and moreover it is all at the ripening stage. It is the happy occasion. See, each and every tomato plant must have at least 250 grams of tomato. It is a high pleasure. You see, when you come and see this plantations and all, you will have your stress level go down extremely, because it is your creation. And again, I have planned to explain you a balance sheet all about this kitchen gardening. So the main objective of this video is being rendered to all the audiences listening to my videos, because it is around the number of 6 videos that I have made from including this one, and what I have inferred from this, how far it is analogical with the day-to-day life and day-to-day experience, or the balance sheet, economical balance sheet, or the learning experience, learning curve of doing this kitchen gardening. Everything I will get back to you shortly. Thank you all for listening all my videos. Thank you very much. And it is indeed my pleasure to know if someone is going to start their kitchen garden in a very minimal level also. I am expecting for all your comments. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Goodbye.